Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Varteta Learning Platform, and in this video of TypeScript we are going to discuss about the string operator, stringize operator, which is also known as the concatenation of the string operators and the type operators. And so I would request you guys that even if you have understood these concepts, even then you should be with me in this video and try to get it revised. Okay, so the first operator that we are going to discuss is the stringize operator, or you can say the concatenation operator. So what it do? The concatenation operator is nothing but this symbol, the symbol of plus. This plus symbol is also known as the concatenation operator or the stringize operator, making a string operator also in TypeScript. So what it does? It simply suppose if you have used a plus symbol with two variables, one variable is a number and the other variable is a string, then what it does, it simply converts the previous variable or the variable ahead of it, which has been used with a plus symbol with a string. Then in that case it converts every other variable, doesn't matter it was a number or whatever it was, it converts all those remaining variables into a string, right? So here if you if I print it like console.log a plus hello plus a, then it means that 100 hello 100, this will be printed because 100 even being a number, it will be converted into a string. So 100 hello 100, something like this will be printed. So let us see the output. So let me just pick it, string operator here, and let me just call it. That's it, and let us just run it. First need to compile tsc and then use the node. Okay, 100 hello 100. So I have used this bash shell as I have used in the previous videos as well. So you can use this one, and this makes it really easy for you to compile and build it. Compile and run it. Okay, so 100 hello 100. So let us do one more thing. Let's see one more thing. If I write something like a plus a plus a and then plus hello, then what will happen? Let's see what happens. Just stop the video and try to see the output. Okay, just try to guess the output, or if you are running if you're writing this program, then you can just check it on your editor. What should be the output? Okay, so I hope you might have checked it. Okay, so let us run it and let's see what happens. So let me just recompile it and then let me run it. See here what happened. It's 300 plus hello. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that even if it is a plus operator and even if we have used a string here at the end, then also what will happen, that it will be stringize, but before that if any of the variable is of some other type, then plus will work accordingly for those variables. So before this plus, every other plus has been done on the number, so that is why all those will be added. So this will become 300 till here and then plus hello. Okay, then 300 then plus hello, so that is why it has been printed as 300 hello. Now do one more thing, and I think you will be able to easily guess this time. Now write it like a plus a again. So what will happen? Let's see. So 300 hello 200, this is something we are expecting. Okay, so let us run it. Okay, see what happened. After string we were expecting that it will become 100, but what happened? Before a string, if you have added this before a string, then all the things will be added first as per the type of variable, and after that this will be appended as a string with the other string. But anything after the string, if it has been used with plus, no matter how many times you use a, every time, okay, even if you write something like 23, then also see what will happen. So before and after using this plus has different impact, and that is why I was asking you to remain to be here with me on this video, because these are the concepts that sometimes get missed by few of the guys. Okay, so let me just run it again and let's see what happens. So let me just compile it. Everything has become the string. After a string, any addition will always make everything as a string. But we were expecting like it will be printing 200 earlier, like hello 200, 300, 400, 423, something like that. But this is not the answer. So please remember this: after plus and before plus used with any of the string and this with respect to this operator, right? So I hope you have got this point now. Okay, so I hope this was a really useful information for you, and this will really help you while cracking the interviews, because these kind of things could be asked in your interviews. Okay, okay, or maybe in some aptitude test or in some programming test along with the aptitude test, which usually are taken by the organizations when they organize uh, some drives. So you need to make a note of it. Okay, so this is an important concept. Now let's see the type operators. What are the type operators? Type operators are basically used to check the type or availability of some variable inside uh, some of these structs like map, dictionary, or array. We will discuss in detail about those things like what are array and dictionaries and maps. But here to demonstrate the type operators, I have used the arrays and this is the dictionary. Okay, so arrays and dictionary I have used here. So this is how you can understand. Okay, so let me just show you that what are the type operators and how they are used. So the first operator is in operator, the other operator is delete, the third is type of, and the fourth is type instance of operator. Okay, so I will just share this code with you guys. I mean, these functions I will share with you guys as a comment on my channel as a comment on this video. So you can just refer that and you can write your code and you can practice. Okay, so here let's see. Here I have declared an array. So in TypeScript you declare an array like this. Let a is equal to 1 2 3 4. It contains 4 integers 1 2 3 and 4. So the first operator that we are going to check is in. So if I want to check if some value is inside an array, then in that case I use the in operator, and in is a type operator. Okay, sometimes this question could be asked like which among the following is a type operator or which among the following is not a type operator. So for those kind of situations you should be aware about, like this is a simple question but you should be aware about like these are the four type operators. So what we do with the in operator, let's back to that one. So if we have to check if there is if something is there in this array, in that case we can use this in operator. Like if I have to check whether the 3 is inside the array a, then in that case I can use it. If 3 in a, then console.log, yes, 3 is there. Okay, so let me just you know just comment it, or let me just, okay, let's not think much, let's just remove this console.log. Okay, just to demonstrate this one, this array. So here what will happen, like it will display like yes 3 is there. If 3 is not there, or you can say like whatever you are checking, if that's not there, then in that case what you can do, you can simply print like no, rather than 3 write like value. So let us run this. And then just run it. Okay, let me just remove this function and use this type of operator function. I have used the previous function which was the string operator, so we just remove this and let's do this. Okay, now let me run it. Now let's run. Okay, yes, the value is there because 3 is in here, right? Like if I write like 13, and then what will happen, let's see. Let me just make some changes. No, value is not there. And let me recompile it. Again I recompile it. by mistake. So let us run this node. Okay, so let's see node. No, the value is not there because 13 is not in A, right? So this is how it works. And let me just remove this part. Not remove, basically we can just see the output, the next output. So the other operator is the delete operator. So here I have taken a dictionary. So dictionary contains a key and a value. So key and a value. So n1 is Vikash, n2 contains Suresh, n3 pointing to Jangra. Okay, so in that case, if I just want to delete the second value from the dictionary, then I can just write something like this: delete and b, which is the dictionary, and dot n2. You need to mention the key here after the dot, and then that part will be deleted. Okay, so let us first see without deleting it what comes. So let me just okay, let me just do this so that nothing else should printed apart from this. So let me run this. Okay. Okay, so here you can see, like, when I have printed the B, because I have printed the entire B, entire dictionary, so that is why it has printed the entire dictionary as it is. But if I use delete b.n2, then what will happen? In that case, it should only display n1 and n3 because n2 has been deleted. So let's see. Okay, let's run this. Okay, so n1 and n3, Vikash and Jangra. Okay, because n2 is done now, it's removed, it has been deleted. Okay, so this is how the delete works. And let's see the other example. Let me just comment it. Okay, then let's go to the type of an instance of operator. Okay. Okay, so I have again used A here. So this is A, which is an array, and it is of type array. I have used let A, otherwise I have not provided any of the type here. So in this case, it is what is the type? Any. But since this is a array, this is an array, so ultimately this has been assigned, this has been used as an array. Okay, so here when you write something like A is instance of array, not is A instance of array, so in that case it will return true or false. So if A is an array, in that case what it will return? It will simply return true, because A is an instance of array, because this is an array, right? So let's run it again and let's see the output in this case. It's true. And if I write like A instance of string, then what will happen? If I write something like this, because it's not a string, so let's see, it should return false. Okay, so it's false. Okay, so this was all about the instance of operator. One operator remains is like type of operator. So let me just show you the example. Like suppose if I take like where A, not A, you can write like where C and make it like a string, and then give it a value like Vikash, and then just console.log, and then print type of C, and let's see what comes as type of C. So here I'm going to print the type of, what is the value of type of, I mean what type of variable C is. This is the meaning of type of operator. This is the purpose of using the type of operator, that what is the type of the variable C or the variable in question. Okay, so let me just compile it again, and then let me just run it. So it's a string. Okay, so it's very simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and you have found few interesting things here, and in the next video we will meet soon with some new things in TypeScript. So till then, have a nice day and bye bye, and please don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. and please share my videos with your friends. Have a nice day and bye bye.